Introducing Rubbermaid Brilliance containers. These containers offer a perfect solution for storing your food efficiently. With over 3,000 praising their 100% leak-proof design, you can store soups and sauces worry-free. Many highlight how the food stays fresh longer with these containers. Next, let's talk about construction. Users appreciate their sturdy build. Made from hard plastic, they are both durable and lightweight. They snap shut securely, ensuring your food remains fresh. Customers find these containers spacious, perfect for leftovers or meal prep. With various sizes available, they stack easily in the fridge, saving you space. They are dishwasher safe, easy to wipe down, and resistant to staining, even from sauces. Say goodbye to scrubbing. These containers are hassle-free. The clear plastic allows you to easily see what's inside, keeping your cabinets organized. In summary, Rubbermaid Brilliance containers shine in key areas: airtight sealing, sturdy construction, ample storage capacity, easy cleaning, and appealing design. Ready to revolutionize your food storage? Choose Rubbermaid Brilliance containers for an organized and efficient kitchen.